We just arrived to the Genting Highlands. Many people saying as this is Las Vegas of Malaysia. Maybe because there is the legal casino in Malaysia, only one, which is actually here in Genting Highlands, or maybe because there's so many flashy places around.
Just look at behind me, so many people already arriving here. My first impression is
you were scared.
I was scared actually in the cable car. This is the second time I ride a cable car, but I feel like, oh my god, that was the longest one, about 20 minutes. But look at surround. So huge place. So let's explore why they call it as Las Vegas of Malaysia.
Unfortunately, the new Awanas cable car is under the renovation in the week exactly where we come right here, right now. So we came using the very old cable car, and unfortunately Winnie was a little bit scared. As you remember maybe from the Sentosa in Singapore, she not really into cable cars, yeah. So this one was old one and stop and go, so a little bit scary. And now we're gonna explore a lot of things about the Genting Highlands. That's like a bar strip here, strip stroll. And well, that's the way actually to Awana. Now we're gonna also going to the biggest mall, park and casino.
Oh, I think this is why they call it as Las Vegas, because of the casino, I don't know, next door, and also so many bright things, with the light, like this one.
Wow. So big place with so many billboards. Everything is under the roof. It looks like a city actually inside the building, right? So well, that's like in Las Vegas actually. Las Vegas is like that one. So here we go. Check this out. This escalators actually going down and up. Crazy. And the huge billboards here as well. So this is how it looks inside actually to the new world. They call it actually new world. There, where's my finger facing now, is the casino, entrance to the casino. We're gonna go there for sure. And this is one of the theme parks inside. Unfortunately, when I was last time was quiet, but now I think it's even more quieter when I was in June because not much is going on. However, the lights are on, so well, we're gonna have a look around, that's for sure. And well, we're gonna explore this place. It's actually crazy big. And this one actually it was the Awana Sky cable car. Unfortunately, they making the renovations or under the reconstruction, something like that. We have to use the old one, and that was a little bit confusing for us. Meanwhile, what is going down there? Actually, not much is going on down there. So yeah, let's get there. Where is the Las Vegas vibe? Let's go. Also, everything is closed about this skyway. Some more decorations regarding the Chinese New Year, and then have even Digi and 7-Eleven. This is because there are actually so many hotels here. Some people coming here only for the holidays, even from the abroad. And here we go. This is, well, Las Vegas of Malaysia, huh? Sayang, what do you think about that?
Yeah, so bright, very bright.
So bright and so
colorful.
So colorful. So this is the Skytropolis, one of the theme park indoors, what we show you from the top floor. It's very quiet, to be honest. When I was in June, I was thinking it's quiet, but actually was busy. That was actually during the school holidays. Of course, there is no Chinese holidays yet. It's gonna be next week, but that's only proof, again, as international tourism in Malaysia currently is very, very low. I'm not gonna say it's not exist, but it's very low, because whenever we make something as is very quiet, mostly people saying, oh, because it's no holidays right now or no Chinese New Year. So that means as all the tourism here and the crowds are only when the local people have a holidays. And of course, overall, this is like a mall. So many shops and the restaurant and the places in general to spend your money, right?
Well, basically that some people I saw that bringing their suitcase or luggage, maybe staying in the hotel, but...
So yeah, that's how does it look like. We're going down looking for the Skytropolis. What's going on there? There. So there is the casino at the front. We're gonna go there later on, but probably I cannot film. Billboards, what we saw previously. And loud music, of course, some Chinese music, I believe. And we are now gonna stroll a little bit about the Skytropolis, which is like a theme park, but inside the building. Look at this. Oh, now it's not lighting, like now. so cool. Well, not so many people. That's definitely looks pretty quiet. But I believe you can have so many attractions here, especially for the kids. But I believe adults also could find something interesting to do here, because I think there is the zip line somewhere. At least last time I remember it was something like that. It's exactly like in Las Vegas. As you can see, they have a Eiffel Tower, a Big Ben clock, and of course, like this one is in the similar place in Las Vegas, with so many attractions, amusement parks, casinos, and of course in Las Vegas they have a casinos. That's why little roller coaster here, I'm not sure if it's operating or not. And all of this, it's exactly looks like in Las Vegas. Maybe not exactly the same, but the same concept. That's why many people saying as Genting Highlands is actually Las Vegas of Malaysia.
So what like Damian mentioned before, as we walked around this one, I think some of the shops are still closed, and also some of the attractions just like behind me also closed.
Unfortunately, as you can see, not so much is going on in this park. But it's everything like a light on. Just is like, you know, kind of quiet, right? What else I can say about this Skytropolis place? But actually, well, you can come here. You can enjoy the kids going. It's just like this one. Okay, also there is the way to the open air theme park. So basically this carousel here is open, but this shop and this shop, it's closed. It's just closed. So, and this carousel is open, but this one already, I don't think so. And roller coaster, I don't think so either. And of course, watching all of this, I believe, as it looks like Las Vegas in general, so Las Vegas of Malaysia. But if you are in Vegas in US, definitely it's busier right now over there. This is the way to the Genting SkyWorlds theme park over there. But I just want to come here a little bit to show you how does it look like from outside. Because I'm not sure if we're gonna get inside the theme park, because the entrance fee is pretty dear, but you can find some sort of fountains, and there is actually very nice restaurants down there overlooking everything. On the way, of course, you can find so many nice restaurants and kiosks. This one Japanese restaurant is also very nice, with the Japanese ladies around waiting for you. Most of the restaurants here and the food outlets are premium in general. You can find some normal one like this one, I believe. And of course decorations for the Chinese New Year.
So because in few weeks will be Chinese New Year, the year of rabbit, Kongsi Fachai. I really like the Chinese accent everywhere here, like this one. Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice indeed. Check this out. So lovely people making pictures. So cute. Gongxi Fachao. But also inside there is a supermarket. Many hotels actually are here around. So some people coming here just for the long holidays. Some of them, of course. And also the market is actually very nice. Hilltop grocer, like this one. This is the entrance to the Genting SkyWorlds theme park. Also doesn't look like the queues are long. And this is the Genting SkyWorlds, like you can see over there, ticketing option. Not so many people, that's for sure. Like I said, not so many international visitors here. Also, if you ask me about the weather, this is in the highlands, so it's in the mountains. It's pretty cool weather. Some people coming, making the pictures. We're gonna show you how much is the cost. At least if you come like that, there's no crowds. If you're interested intend to come here, come like this one, there will be not so many people. Last time actually was busier than it's now. And yeah, also surrounds, as you can see everywhere. Check this out, actually cloud is coming. Soon it's gonna be cloudy and maybe rainy. There are all the hotels, and the hotels here are actually huge. This one, this smaller one, and the huger one, and there is like so many hotels actually. The place have a very great concept, just unfortunately not so many people. But maybe some of you actually like when it's not so crowded, because in Malaysia actually I believe people prefer when it's quieter. Sayang, you feel cold already?
Honey, it looks already foggy.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so cold.
Okay, let's back to the mall, huh?
Hey, how about go there?
Oh, the tickets are a little bit dear, sayang. Let's have a look how much are they, huh?
Okay.
Okay, that's the Genting SkyWorlds. So as you can see, the price is starting from 113 ringgits up to 215 ringgits. So they are like, well, around 50 US or something like that. Yeah, not in our budget on this occasion. Maybe next time, yeah? Also, if we are talking about the prices, this is the price tickets for the theme park over there. To come here, we took the bus from the KL Central to Genting Highlands. Both of us cost us 46 ringgits, which is 23 ringgits per person. That's including the cable car, and the return will be exactly the same. And if you want to stroll around, it's of course free of charge, but if you want to just go inside the theme park, you have to buy the separate entrance tickets. This is the directory, what is inside, if you actually would like to come and visit. So much attractions and shops and Ice Age and Epic and this one, so many attractions. You could spend actually full entire day here, especially if you are coming with the kids or friends. It must be a lot of fun.
Oh, so inside will be just like the very theme park like this one. I think that pretty the same like in Sentosa in Singapore.
Yeah, like in Sentosa. You wanna go, sayang? Are you sure? No. Okay, let's go back then. And guys, I know some of you may said, you could go and enjoy it. But guys, we are just simply came here to show you around. And as you know, and if you don't know, we are on budget. We are just looking for the new home base. We are not on holidays. We are not like typically coming for holidays and spending money and enjoying. We are looking to, you know, like...
At least if somebody asks, have you ever been to Genting Island? Genting Highlands, not Genting Island. Yes, we were there and yeah, nice, what I can say.
Okay, let's go. Sayang, I see you found affordable food here.
Wait, come. This one, nasi lemak for 9 ringgit for one set. It's not that pricey that I
Actually
think.
nice.
So I decided to have a coffee time and I have a kue putu and teh tarik. So nice. We are in the Nyonya, what is it? Nyonya Colors, the original of Nyonya Cafe.
There they are more into local foods, and the food courts up there, the Highline Rooftop Market, which means Western bars with the beers, brewery, and nice foods. Well, it's like an open air, and there are also only Western bars here. Little bit like a Mont Kiara or Damansara, or actually Bangsar or Bukit Bintang Changkat, something like that, with the Western foods and bars. Not so busy either. That's mean not so many international visitors here, actually, like I mentioned already, because those places will be busy otherwise, right? And not so many locals here either. So I don't know, that's how it looks like. You can have a 12-inch pizza for 25 ringgits, and Hari Ram's then here, British fish and chip. Very popular. I think I used to eat summer here last time, but I didn't win anything in the casino on today's occasion. So, so no eating in the Western food. I didn't win anything. At least I didn't lose it either. The laughing fish also. I think here, I was here last time, I remember, because the seating was very nice. You can watch my older video also from Genting Highlands if you would like to. And we're gonna go back home, actually go back to the cable car, and then back bus and back to KL. But I'm gonna show you how to navigate right now. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, we are going in the good direction. Also, here is the street food something and the mall where we actually started today's journey. Actually, we walk down there, and also you can walk up there here. This is where is the Chinese decoration for Chinese New Year, like this one here actually. Or maybe that's actually different. I get confused right now. You can really get lost here, that's for sure. We are in Genting Grand. We are going to Genting Skyway, which is not Awana. This is the old one, the first cable car what was here. And this is old part of the Genting Highlands. So down there they even have a convenience store and McDonald's even here. So, you know, this is like an old wing of the Genting Highlands. I believe not many people previously was showing this part because obviously everybody was going by the new lane, by Awana. But if you have to already pass it, it's worth to show you. And here's like a food court, KFC. I think actually once I was in KFC long time ago. First time in Malaysia. We're in the cable car going back. Finally we found this. This is the old cable cars, the first ones, what they opened. Unfortunately, Winny have the high fears, you know, like last time in Sentosa, but now it's even worse. I think that's the last attraction regarding the cable cars. No banana hills in Vietnam though, and now the weather is even very, very cloudy. You cannot see simply anything. It's just like you are in the middle of the cloud. This is how we are going down. As you can see, only cloud and so down. And Sayang, please take her. All good, baby. No more attraction with the cable car. Yeah, this is the last one. Yeah. Okay. Stay safe. I mean, this is safe. It's just scary sometimes. Yeah. Also, the cable car is old. Maybe that's why. Maybe Awana will be better because the new one a little bit different. And meanwhile, oh, little bit of the clouds going down.
You know, you are up in the cloud, I mean in the fog, something like that. I don't know, I feel like, are we already in the heaven or something? Just already so long. If cable car only 5 minutes, 10 minutes is in like, you know, just like in Sentosa, maybe I will be fine. But look at that, it's 20 minutes already now.
Oh, I saw you a little bit. Look at the views.
I want to pee-pee.
But now you can have a cable cars like this one in Banana Hills in Vietnam and in China, so many of course. Sentosa, but shorter one in Singapore. But this one actually what we're having now, because we are sitting right now in the old ones, and the first one, it was one of the first one in Asia actually, and with the surrounds with the tropical rainforest actually. It's like a middle jungle and it's pretty high. Now you can find more, but this one was like, you know, the first one, legendary. So the last one, okay? We're not gonna try this one in the Vietnam, alright?
I don't know.
Yeah, but stay sharp lah. Oh, look at that. It's actually so high. Actually, we are still like 20 meters higher than the top of the trees lah. Now the cable cars stop, slow down. So all is good. Maybe better like that. Don't look, don't look. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of the view, what's going on, like this one. Got our tickets for 10 ringgits, like I mentioned, at 4:30 p.m. Unfortunately, we are departing and starting from the old terminal. This is like when very first Genting Highlands was open. I think in the 80s, if I'm not mistaken. Everything was here, and the building was not used for a long time because now it's the brand new. Like last time when I was here, I was using everything new and was totally different. And here is very old. As you can see, totally different architecture and everything. Unfortunately, it's very dark, but happy as we're gonna go home. I hope so. Bus gonna actually come here, and also weather was very nice today. All right, we are going home. Winny survived the cable car. How's that? That's our bus. Not so many people actually back to KL. Many people staying, maybe in the hotels, maybe playing in the casinos. Yeah, that's a quick journey actually, 1 hour from the Kuala Lumpur center. Bus looks like this one, comfy, 10 ringgits. It's like if you're looking for a quick trip outside the Kuala Lumpur, highly recommended, yeah?
So that's all. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care. They have a monkeys here also, nice. Anyways guys, this is like a road going to or from Genting Highlands. They have a nice 2-lane dual carriageway, so you know, no traffic jams and stuff like this. However, everywhere around you can see the green and jungle. This is only like a 1 hour or 45 minutes, even if there is no traffic at all in Kuala Lumpur. Like we came first way 45 minutes. So 45 minutes, 1 hour, just escape from the hustle and bustle of busy life of Kuala Lumpur. That's why maybe it's still popular for the guests who are coming with the luggage going to the hotels, because you know, you don't need to travel very far, like to Penang or even to Cameron Highlands or Ipoh if you can come just 1 hour here, and also it's very easy accessible. So yeah, just interesting fact on the way home. Also something here is going on, like some road construction or something, they building something, but so many condominiums and other stuff also under construction. This area actually is developing since the beginning already for 40 years. All the time they building something and it's growing and growing. So well, the business is going very well here, and also a little bit of the roads. Very nice, very nice. Okay, see you tomorrow guys, see ya, take care.